professional basketball player. Currently, I play for the Sacramento Kings of the National Basketball Association. I played college basketball for the University of Connecticut before being drafted by the Houston Rockets in 2006. I am 6'7" and 240 pounds. I was born in Baltimore, Maryland on August 17, 1986. Growing up, my hobbies were playing basketball with my brother Eric and three sisters, Candace, Yasmin, and Dre. My parents are Ray and Rudy Gay Sr. When I was 12 years old, I played for recreational basketball at Turner Station, and then played for Tucker. When I was 14, I played for the nationally known Cecil Kirk AAU program at New Mexico State. After being drafted to the Houston Rockets in 2006, I won the Rookie of the Year in 2007. In 2010 and 2012, I donated my time and my money to St. Jude's Children's Research Hospital. Two differences between my friend Matt and I are I am a pro basketball player, and he's not. I am also bigger than him. And two similarities are that we both like basketball and are one of high school.